A new era of healthcare, introducing the AI hospital. The world's first AI hospital stands tall in the heart of Beijing, China. It's not just a hospital, it's a symbol of a healthcare revolution. This groundbreaking facility is at the forefront of a new era. It's where artificial intelligence is transforming how we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. The AI hospital represents a bold vision for the future of healthcare. It's a future where cutting-edge technology empowers medical professionals. It's also a future where patients receive faster, more accurate, and personalized care. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of AI in healthcare, and it's happening right now in Beijing. The genesis of intelligent healthcare, Tsinghua University's vision. The AI hospital is the brainchild of brilliant researchers at Tsinghua University. They envisioned a hospital where AI complements human expertise, not replaces it.
Their vision was to create a seamless blend of human intuition and artificial intelligence. This collaboration would enhance every aspect of patient care, from diagnosis to treatment planning.
Years of dedicated research and development culminated in this groundbreaking facility. It stands as a testament to the power of innovation. The AI hospital is a beacon of hope for a healthier future. AI doctors on the front lines, diagnosis and treatment. But how exactly do AI doctors work? These aren't robots in white coats. They're sophisticated algorithms that analyze massive medical data sets.
These data sets include patient records, medical imagery, and scientific literature. AI doctors excel at recognizing patterns and anomalies that might escape the human eye. They assist physicians in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. This early detection is crucial for timely intervention and improved patient outcomes.
AI isn't limited to diagnosis. It extends its capabilities to treatment planning. By analyzing a patient's medical history and current condition, AI algorithms can recommend personalized treatment plans. These plans are more likely to be effective and have fewer side effects.
Section 4. Efficiency and precision. The advantages of AI in healthcare. The benefits of AI in healthcare are multifaceted. One of the most significant advantages is increased efficiency.
AI doctors can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds. This speed allows for faster diagnoses, reduced wait times, and quicker treatment initiation.
But efficiency is only part of the story. AI also brings a level of precision to healthcare that was previously unattainable. AI algorithms can detect subtle patterns in medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, that might be missed by human radiologists.
This heightened accuracy leads to earlier and more effective treatments. The combination of efficiency and precision makes AI an invaluable tool for improving patient care. It allows medical professionals to focus on what they do best, providing compassionate and personalized care.
Section 5. Real-world impact patient and doctor testimonials. The real-world impact of the AI hospital is best illustrated through the voices of those who have experienced it firsthand.
Patients marvel at the speed and accuracy of their diagnoses. They express gratitude for the personalized treatment plans that have significantly improved their health.
Doctors, too, share their enthusiasm for this revolutionary approach to healthcare. They emphasize how AI empowers them to make better decisions and provide superior care.
They view AI not as a threat, but as a valuable partner in their mission to improve patient outcomes. These testimonials underscore the transformative potential of AI in healthcare. They paint a picture of a future where technology and human compassion converge to create a healthier world.
Section 6. The future of healthcare. AI's global promise. The AI hospital in Beijing is not just a local phenomenon. It's a glimpse into the future of healthcare on a global scale. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see similar hospitals emerge around the world.
Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in remote areas, providing specialized medical expertise to underserved populations. Imagine a future where AI helps to predict and prevent outbreaks of infectious diseases, safeguarding global health.
The possibilities are limitless. The AI hospital in Beijing has ignited a spark of innovation that has the potential to revolutionize healthcare for everyone, everywhere.
What are your thoughts on the role of AI in healthcare? Share your perspectives and join the conversation about the future of medicine.